Hi, today I'm making zucchini bread, and it's starting to be fall, and I thought it'd be great to start making bread. So we're going to start with 2 cups of flour. What you see here is a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, as well as baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, one and one half, not 1 1/2, but 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and a 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. So that's where you're going to pack it down tight. And then a teaspoon of vanilla and 2 cups of grated zucchini. So once again, here are all of your ingredients for this zucchini bread. So you're going to begin by using your white flour, your 2 cups of flour, and adding in the salt, baking soda, baking powder, nutmeg, and cinnamon. And you're going to just mix all those ingredients together, stir them, and then set them aside. Next, we're going to combine the brown sugar, white sugar, and the oil all in one bowl. I will add the eggs to this mixture as well as the vanilla. And so we're going to just mix that all together. I will either prepare, in this case, I prepared a parchment piece that you see in my bread pan instead of spraying it with oil, but you can do either to prepare the pan. So next I'm going to begin adding in my flour mixture into the wet mixture, into the sugar mixture, just constantly stirring. And then at the very end, once everything is combined, flour and sugars, I'm going to add the zucchini. And so it should look a little like this. And once I've mixed it well, I'm going to pour all of my ingredients into my lined parchment pan or sprayed pan, whatever one you choose. And we're going to bake that at 350 degrees for 55 to 60 minutes. And you'll let it rest and you can serve it. The parchment paper is really easy to use because you just peel it off and you slice and serve. And it's a great breakfast and a really nice holiday gift.